Hey guys, Levi for the Rag Company, and in today's video, we're going to be answering the question, can I put a ceramic coating over top of solution finish, or should I not do that? Well, you can do that. You totally can do that. And it will keep that plastic looking nice. However, depending on where you are and the amount of UV damage that you receive, there is a possibility that the solution finish will start to deteriorate and the trim will start to oxidize again, but it'll be underneath a ceramic coating. So, how do you best fix that? Well, you can use solution finishes over the top as a topper to those parts that you solution finished. Now, this will allow that it will naturally wear off, but it'll still provide a ton of protection, and you have the capacity to reinstall solution finish every couple years, making sure that your trim is always looking its tip-top best. However, if you have a brand new car, let's say you just picked it right up off the lot and you want to coat it and you want to coat everything, go ahead. You're not really applying any solution finish to anything, and the point is that plastic's brand new, so you're protecting it all the way across, and you're really not going to see any UV damage for at least 5 to 7 years, which is probably about the lifetime of that ceramic coating. So in those instances, it kind of works really well, because remember, solution finish is a trim restorer. And if you're looking to just protect your plastics, well, that's what over the top is designed for. So you can use over the top on brand new plastics. You can also use it over the top of solution finish. So the point is, it really depends on what you are planning to do with your vehicle. So new car, you don't really need solution finish, so feel free to ceramic coat it. Older car, well, if you're just driving it daily and you want to make it look as nice as you possibly can, I really do recommend solution finish and over the top rather than just solution finish with a coating over the top. Now, there are differences. Many coating companies also make their own trim restorers that have ceramic properties in them. And I'd recommend if you're doing that, you might as well use that product with the other coatings you're using. So take for instance G-Technic C4. You can use G-Technic C4 while you're using CSL or EXO or C5 or something like that on your paint surface. That way you're not having to worry, and you've got G-Technic protection all the way across the board. But you can use any coating over the top of solution finish. Just know that it is going to be locking in that plastic for years to come. So hopefully that answers your question as to whether or not you should or shouldn't ceramic coat your solution finish and whether or not you should actually use over the top. So as always guys, make sure you like, share, leave a comment for a future question, and make sure you subscribe. And for more videos, stay tuned right here, the Rag Company FAQ channel. Thanks for watching.